Hello everyone. Once again, welcome to Social Study class, Grade 5, Chapter 10, Walls Tell Stories. Children, as we all know that India is famous all over the world for its culture, tradition, monuments, palaces and forts. So here in chapter 10 we are going to study about a fort named Golconda. First of all, I would like to tell you the meaning of fort. A fort is a place that's made strong and secure enough to be defended during a war. A fort can also be called a fortress or a fortification. Among so many forts, Golconda Fort is one of them. Golconda Fort is in Hyderabad. This fort was made in 1518 by Sultan Kuli Qutb ul Mulk. It is so huge that there are 9 gates and 3 palaces. It consists many gardens, fields and factories. This shows that along with king, many other people like farmers, workers, artisans also live here. There are big halls and rooms. There is a beautiful carvings on the walls. Bastions. Bastions means a projecting part of a fortification. It is made in a fort to ensure that the security of the fort. Bastions are also called burj. These are even higher than the wall of forts. The outer wall of Golconda Fort has 87 bastions. Big holes were made in bastions to increase the viewing area, and the soldiers peeping through it could have better vigilance. Cannon. This is a picture of a cannon. It is a large gun type structure used for shelling. This cannon was used by Aurangzeb. His full army came with their guns and cannons to attack, but they could not even enter the fort. Guns and cannons are things of the past now. Present time is the time of nuclear bomb. A single bomb can cause so much destruction. Arrangements for water in Golconda Fort. Children, here in this image, you can see the sources of irrigation. These kind of sources were used in Golconda to water the fields, to water the plants. In this image, it is shown that the drum attached to the rod moves when the bullocks move. Pole shown under the ground joins with another wheel which has a number of pots on it. So, in this way, these sources of irrigation were used in Golconda Fort. With the help of these sources of irrigation, the plants, the fields could be watered easily. Museum. Here in this picture, you can see a museum. What is museum? A museum is a place where antiques means old items of historical importance are kept, is called a museum. It cares for a collection of objects of artistic, cultural, historical, of scientific importance. Museums are very useful for the purpose of education and enjoyment. Museums are very useful, and it is telling a story of the kings, queens, prince and princess, their living style, their habits. The items which are preserved in the museum tell depicts a story about the past. So, children, this chapter number 10, Walls Tell Story, is over. So, please keep watching the video for the better understanding of the chapter. Thank you so much.